Hey y'all, it's destinyxlashan and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are a loyal returning subscriber. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I need to reset and restart my life. It is currently May 30th and that means that June is approaching very fast. So I need to reset my life. My place looks a mess. I kind of don't want to show y'all because I don't want y'all to judge me. But we have to do a clean with me because why not? You know what I mean? So let me show y'all. Oh my God. Can y'all promise y'all won't judge me? Okay, thank you. So let me show you my room. So this is probably the cleanest room, which is crazy. And I promise you I did not mess this room up just to show y'all how dirty it is. I actually just got done filming a video. So that's why it's like stuff everywhere. It's a tripod right there. I just literally threw it out of my bathroom. And then this is the bathroom now. The bathroom is not that dirty, but I really need to do a deep clean of the sink. And I need to clean that mirror. I need to clean that toilet. I don't even want to show y'all my toilet, but you know when your toilet starts to get that ring around it. Disgusting, I know. And then I have so much laundry to do. I kind of need to clean this up, but I probably won't do it, y'all. I don't know. It's very disgusting. And then let me show y'all my kitchen. So, first of all, no judgment, right? So all of this stuff, it was under my cabinet, but I got my sink replaced, like my faucet, my sink replaced, and something was loose and it started like leaking. So it was a lot of water under my sink. So they had to come and fix it. And I just didn't put it back. It's been sitting here for like 3-4 days. And then this morning I was looking for some grocery bags and I found it clearly, but I just left it like, left it like that. And then as you can see, my kitchen island has just been like a catch-all. I just got back into the house because I was filming some content. So I literally just like dropped everything down right here. I got some cameras, a beauty blender. This area, honestly, it's not that bad. I just need to put the stuff up. And then the other half of my kitchen, again, it's just time for a reset. It's time to put these dishes in the dishwasher. It's time to clean this air fryer. I did get this from Yo Mama, so shout out to them. They are a family-owned business. I cannot wait to start using their products. Then I also got this from, I think it's pronounced Fungies. I don't know. I'm gonna try it very soon and see how I like it. And then my living room. Living room typically doesn't get too bad. I just need to like fluff the sofa and, you know, spray in here, maybe sweep the rug. And then I do need to mop the surface. I don't really work in here anymore. So that's what I'm working with. I'm about to lock in. I'm about to put some headphones in and just clean up. Okay, so if you are down for a peaceful, relaxing, I'm trying to catch my breath. If you're down for a peaceful, relaxing, clean with me video, keep watching.
I don't want to talk about no drama. I don't want to talk about your problems. I just want to figure out how to solve them. I just want to show you that I got them. I just want to heal all your traumas. I know it's a lot to give, but give me something tonight. Baby, I just need substance tonight, yeah. Baby, I've been out here wildin', scheming. Please give me something to believe in, I need it. I've been trying to get you to myself cause I'm greedy. Please give me something to believe in. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me what to do when it feels so right. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me where to move if you coming tonight. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me what to do when it feels so right. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me where to move if you coming tonight. Love in this club, in this club, in this club. I might fall in love. I might fall in love. I might fall in love in this club. How much of your love can I borrow? I don't wanna wait until tomorrow. I just needed to fill out my sorrows. I forgot to tell you that I was hollow. And I know, and I hope you're gonna fill my void tonight. I hope you save me from what I've been feeling like. And I'm feeling right. Yeah, what? I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me what to do when it feels so right. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me where to move if you coming tonight. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me what to do when it feels so right. I might fall in love in this club tonight. Tell me where to move if you coming tonight.
Catch your breath. Quickly, quickly. Catch your breath. Are your horses in place? Keep your eye on your lane. Steady with your pace. I know it's been so hard to go against the 10. I know you want that to win. How much time do you take about your day? How much time do you sit around and wait? You watching, I'm bobbing, arriving to take over. Girl, can you keep up? Gotta push your stamina all the way. Thought I told you so, you didn't know. When you step up on the floor with me, you got to move your feet. Catch your breath. Quickly, quickly, yeah. Catch your breath. ICUP, I know I got you so sick. Now I got you so sick. I know you'll be throwing fits. Not the kind you flick your wrist. Take a shot if you insist. Man, I got her so damn pissed. How much time do you take about your day? How much time do you sit around and wait? You watching, I'm bobbing, arriving to take over. Oh my love, look like it's hurting her. I know in your eyes it's not right. I shouldn't have this love, that's what you're thinking of. How much time do you take about your day? How much time do you sit around and wait? You watching, I'm bobbing, arriving to take over. Girl, can you keep up? Gotta push your stamina all the way. Thought I told you so, you didn't know. When you step up on the floor with me, you got to move your feet. Catch your breath. Catch your breath.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those feathers in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, baby? It was just a lover.
Yeah, trying to get you out my thoughts today. Still chained to you when I walked away.
Still chained, you know it be hard to break, cause I kept it way too real to automate. I wanna talk to you for my conscience sake, trying to make my mind and body cooperate. I used to have some shots to give for ones you take, but then I took them all to heal and lost the way. Got me riding around listening to Marvin Gaye, reminisce what was, cause now it ain't. And through my mind I trail for hours till it all devours. I'm amongst the prowlers on your page, see how you spending days without. Eat me inside, that I'm phasing out, but I plays it, and it drains me. I done made some, but it pains me. You want the real from me, here it is, here it go. I want you dead to me, head gone real slow. I want you here with me, bad, I'll let it go. But I can't have both, I'm done. I hope this love will bum that's gon' blow. No regret, no rewind, no more waste, no more time, no more wait, let's go away. I stay out of mind. No regret, no rewind, no more waste, no more time, no more wait, let's go away. I stay out of mind.
Babe, or let's be honest, it was just a love ball. I just wanna go back to how it was. I just wanna lay in each other's arms.
Hey y'all, I just got done cleaning. I knocked it out sooner than I thought. Let me kind of show y'all what I'm working with as far as my room. I just got done. The coloring looks weird, but I just got done. Does that look right? I don't know, but just got done vacuuming. I don't know why the light looks like that. And then as far as the bathroom, okay, y'all, I think this might be better. Yeah, this angle might be better. So I vacuumed my room. I still have some stuff sitting right there. And then this is the bathroom. I did go ahead and sweep, but I did not mop. Whew, I am actually like really sweaty and tired, so I'm about to take a shower. And then I still have to put those clothes in the dryer. I'm about to do that. And then here is the kitchen. So thanks for tagging along for this clean with me video. I did not mop. Sorry, my dishwasher is going still, but I did not mop my kitchen floor because I am cooking a lot of stuff tomorrow. I'm doing like a really big meal prep, and after I cook, my floors are always like really greasy, so I'm gonna mop after I cook. But thank you if you made it this far. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in next week's video. And please let me know if y'all like this clean with me video, because I always love to reset my home every week, every month. So if y'all want these weekly resets, let me know. I will see y'all next week.